going on, y'all? 2006 Honda Accord, trying to change the axle, the spindle. So jacking up the car, putting the jack stand on. Take the wheel off.
Yeah, plier này. You need this one.เอาล็อกนั้นต้องเจ้าด่าธรรมดาเนี่ย
I'm trying to take the axle out, so I'm taking this spindle off. Not a spindle, but the lug nut for this. Let's see. Let's go.
Nè. Đi đó. Anh. Easy.
So we broke it loose. Lug chanh mà. Yeah, lug chanh. Watch out for your finger. Still there. Oh, right there. Wait. Bye, let go. Like there.
Whatever. Here you go. Chạy nhá.
Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, we got the front axle out. Right there, the axle's right there. Oh, y'all can see it in the camera. Pop it out right here. And he's not even here, don't worry. Where's your... Can I neighbor?
Here you go.
Wait, my hand.
Bạn này trên khảo không cho sao đâu.
Wait. Okay, I got the axle out. The axle's right here. And try to put it back on.
Hey, mà đi, đừng giờ thông bạn. Ní chắc cái quạt cháu luôn này. I don't know that. Make sure the same side.
So, putting the axle back on. Go ahead, man. I'm gonna here.
Đang ngay.
Right there. And push it in. I'll take this out.
Nó cái đòn mà nung. Nó với cái cháu con. Turn around. Make sure it's click. Rồi cha đom xuống. Phải cha bình.
Just put everything back. Tighten up the spindle. Hopefully everything will work before test drive. Just lock it in.